Hi, my name is Eric and welcome to Ask Eric Live episode 44. In today's episode, I'll be continuing to answer your questions on sales, marketing, and branding. So the first question was from CB, who had a problem with getting sales because she's so busy and she has no time to prospect. So I've gave her a very tangible strategy. If you have the same issue like her, then please go do exactly what I've taught her as well. Okay? Hi, Kelly. Could you let me know what's your question?
Okay, my question is, in the bootcamp that we have to add at least 5 people a day, right? For all the people that I have to like and comment them, is it?
Okay, I get your question already. Let me address that, okay? For you guys to get sales result, would you agree that you need appointments, right?
Yes.
But for you to get appointments, you need to have prospects. In the olden days, you go roadshow, you go cold call, you go street canvassing. I'm saying that in the modern way, in the social media world, every follower is your potential prospect. So that's what I've been teaching. But there is a caveat. You need to enjoy talking to them. You see, you cannot just add them because they are your potential customer. I said it earlier on, and I want to repeat that. Everyone needs to buy insurance. So don't worry that they can't buy from you. They can buy, and even if they can't buy from you, they can always recommend their friends to buy from you. So that's not the big problem. The big problem is that many of you guys don't enjoy connecting with your followers, right? So Kelly, to you, right? Number one, the first step you need to take note is you need to only add people that you really enjoy connecting with. And generally speaking, they either mirror your best customers or they share similar interests with you. That's how you should add them. Whether is it Facebook or Instagram, that's how you add.
Yeah.
You get that, right? Now, then your second question, is it necessary for me to like and comment? Well, that's what we call social media etiquette. If you want people to like your content, you want people to engage with your content, then you need to first do that. So there are two reasons why once you identify the followers that you want to connect with, that you want to do business with, you need to make sure that you are interested in them. The way to be interesting is to first be interested. Let me repeat that. The way to be interesting is to first be interested. So if you are not even interested in them, why would they be interested in you? So please understand the principle behind doing it. So make sure at the beginning, you only select followers that you want to do business with, that you have a connection with, you got a chemistry with. Generally, they mirror your best customers or they have similar interests with. Once you do that, you need to make sure that diligently every day you are interacting with them. If you guys can spend 6 hours in a roadshow, why can't you spend 1 hour on social media engaging with your potential customers? Like I have people coming to me and say, wow, 1 hour is a lot of time. But you spend freaking 6 hours at a roadshow and you're not even getting much results and you think 1 hour is a waste of time on social media? That's not fair. I encourage you guys to choose the right people to follow. Block time every day to look at what they post and engage them. Engage by liking, engage by commenting. And when you leave a comment, don't leave a superficial comment. Don't put an emoji. Don't go and put a ass-kissing compliment. Really leave a meaningful compliment, at least 1 to 2 sentences, so that it shows people that you're thoughtful. It also helps catch attention and it is an extension of yourself. So you need to engage, right? And after you engage, they would be very familiar with you. And so that there are two benefits that will happen. Number one is that if you're constantly engaging them, they'll be very familiar with you. So that later on, when you use one of the scripts on them, they'll be a lot more open to responding positively to you. Number two, if you're constantly engaging their content, later on, when you post more authority content, like you post content on insurance, they're going to start liking your content to return that favor. And every like and comment gives you an opportunity to follow up with them as well. So that's why it's important. What other challenges do you face whenever you are engaging your followers?
What I meant is, Eric, meaning that before I add them, I have to like and comment first, right?
No, you can already instantly add them already. Are you adding them on Instagram or Facebook?
Facebook.
Once you add them, immediately add them to your list.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean by
that? Yeah, meaning that it's not that I have to. Meaning that it's after add, then only I like and comment.
You can do that. Yeah. Once you add them in the list, then remember I told you every day you're supposed to go to your list and you're supposed to like and comment. So if they accepted your friend request, their content will be on the left hand side anyway. All right. So I hope I answered your question, Kelly. If not, drop me a message and then I'll probably reply your comments, okay? And for those of you who are new to this as well, you just watched and you got value, please help me hit the share button, invite as many of your friends to come watch us. Let's learn together. So guys, last thing before we go, could you please share with me what's your biggest takeaway? Let me know in the comment section what is your biggest takeaway. If you guys are active on Instagram, you can tag me on Instagram and share with me what's your biggest takeaway. That will work as well. Okay, guys, I love you all. I wish the best, the very, very best for you. I always believe that if you succeed, your customers succeed as well with you. So, 加油, ganbatte, do your best, okay? I'll see you next week, same time, same channel. Ask Eric Live episode 45, waiting for you to answer your questions on sales, marketing, and branding. See you next week. Bye-bye.